Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be testing out this Salon dip color system, and it's basically dip nails at home. And I'm so excited because I wanted to try dip nails for months and months and months, like 6 to 8 months now, but I just never bought them. I don't know why. Then I was at Rite Aid and I saw that Kiss had their own system, and I thought, you know what, I might as well try it out. So that's what I'm gonna do for you guys today. If you are curious about dip color, then at home at least, then this is definitely the video for you. I've not tried this at all, so I'm doing it all on camera. So let's get started. So this is the box right here. It just basically says that it has all this stuff in it. You don't need a UV light. There's no harsh odor. The color lasts 2 weeks or more, which is awesome. And it has an easy soak off. So basically, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna just open it up right now. You have the softener, the activator, the base gel, the top gel. This is your dip color, and then I think these are your brushes down here, and a sponge. Also a file and / buffer right there. And then these look like your instructions. There might even be a cuticle thing down here. Yeah, and then there's a cuticle pusher thing down here. Wow, this is a lot of little tiny words. Preparations. Protect working surface with paper towels. Oh, I need to go get paper towels then. Clean natural nails of any polish using acetone-based nail polish remover. I have that. I just have my Ulta brand 100% pure acetone stuff. I'm gonna go get some paper towels, lay those down before we get started. So first, I'm just gonna take this acetone and just take this off my nails. So I basically just have a light colored polish on my nails right now. Nothing dark or anything, so it'll take basically no time at all to get this off. Okay, now it says to push back the cuticles. So now I'm gonna take this wooden thing and just push back my cuticles. Now it says to trim and file the nails. My nails are pretty good right now. I'm just probably gonna buff the surface, which is the next step, to just remove any surface oil. And then after that, we'll remove the dust with the acetone. So I'm just gonna take what I think should be the pink side and just lightly buff away the oily stuff. You wanna make sure to get the entire nail for this part. I just know because otherwise it'll lift at that area. And you don't want to file this down too much. You just literally want to do the very top layer just to get rid of that surface oil so that it doesn't lift. But you don't want to damage your nail by doing too much. Okay, so now my nails have all of the shine off of them. They look kind of nasty, honestly. I don't like showing these up close. That's weird. So now I'm going to take more of this acetone and wipe down all of the nails so that they don't have any dust on them. Okay, now I think my nails are prepped. So now we're going to go into how to use. So like I said, we have all this stuff here. Here's the dip color, the base, the top gel, the brush softener, and then a sponge. Don't know what the sponge is for, but I guess we'll learn. So first off, it says pour colored dip powder into dip tray using manicure stick. Okay, so I'm assuming the cuticle thing is what we're gonna use. So I'm just going to take this off. It's kind of difficult. Oh, it has a sealant. That's good. So we know no one else used this. Is this the dip tray? Where's the dip tray? I'm confused. In the thing, it looks like it's something like this. This is what you're supposed to dip your nail into, but I've seen people just dip them into the bucket thing. So I might just do that instead. Avoiding skin and cuticle area. Apply a coat of base gel over entire surface of one nail. Note, remove any gel on skin with the manicure stick. So we're gonna do the base gel first. And let's just start with my index finger, I guess. And then immediately dip entire fingernail into powder by sliding finger into dip tray. Shake excess powder off. Repeat steps 2 and 3 on 9 other nails. Okay, so then it says to do all your other nails and then apply a second color. So I'm gonna apply a second, or not a second coat, but like apply to all the other nails first. Go in with another nail. This is really easy so far. And it said it doesn't smell, and it literally does not. I just like tap my fingers to get the excess off. There's a nail channel on YouTube that I watch, and she does that, so when she tries this kind of stuff. So I'm gonna do that too. Looks a lot pinkier than I thought it was going to based on the photo, but maybe it will not be as pink once it's done and everything. It feels weird because now I have like the dust on all my fingers. Gently dust off excess powder from all 10 nails with the sponge included. So I guess I'm supposed to, oh, is that supposed to come off? I guess so. So I'm supposed to just dust off the powder. So that's what it looks like now. I've never had this done in the salon, so I don't know if this is right or wrong. I don't know if I'm supposed to wait at all because it's not telling me to wait, so I'm assuming no. The next step is basically to do this over again, but the thing that you need to do is once you apply the gel to your finger, you need to wipe the brush off onto the paper towel so that, I'm assuming it doesn't get like all goopy and gross. So I'm just going to apply this to my pinky nail. Oh, pretty. And then wipe it, dip it back there, and then dip this in there and shake off the excess. Obviously, I'll just repeat this step on all my nails. Okay, you guys, I am done with the second coat of the dip, and then it says to shake off excess powder. That's it. And then avoiding skin, apply a generous amount of activator to all 10 nails. Okay, so it looks like I just applied this activator without even dusting off the nails first. Now I'm going to take this activator. It says apply a generous amount, so I don't even know how much that means, but we're going to wing it. And then it says we're going to file after this, which is so weird to me. Guess this might harden the nails. I have no idea what this does. I'm just excited for this to hopefully stay for a long time. It's supposed to stay for 2 weeks, which if it does, I'm going to be freaking happy. Okay, now it says to file and to shape and buff smooth. And then you remove the dust with a sponge. Okay, you guys, so now the fun part, we're gonna start buffing and filing and get them nice and smooth, which is just so weird because I guess they are kind of bumpy right now. So you need to file them to make sure they're nice and smooth. Okay, so the reason you need to wipe off the activator is it can harden the top gel brush, I guess, when it comes off. Any activator residue on the nail can cause the top gel brush to harden during step 10. Be sure to thoroughly wipe off excess activator with dry, lint-free wipe before finishing with top gel. I have to reapply the activator to all 10 nails. And then I remove it. Okay, now I'm supposed to remove any excess product. Wiping nail surface with a dry paper towel. So basically just wipe it. Okay, so I wiped off the excess activator now on my nails. And now it says to apply 2 even layers of the top gel as you would top coat and then let air dry for 5 to 10 minutes. So pretty straightforward. That's the last step on the whole thing. So that's awesome. Wow, that's pretty. Like, that gives it a great shine. Okay, so I applied the 2 coats and now I have to wait like 5 to 10 minutes. I'll probably wait 10 because knowing me, every single time I do my nails, I mess them up because they're not dry when I think they're dry. So I'm going to let them go. Right now they look honestly phenomenal and I'm loving this color. It's a very, very nice pale pink. So I will show you guys a close-up and everything once it's all done, give you my final thoughts, tell you how much I liked it, and then we'll be done. Okay, it's all done, and you guys, so far I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed! Like, seriously, this is my new favorite nail way ever. Like, my nails feel so, so strong. They almost feel like I have fake nails on, like acrylic or something. And I just feel like my nails are gonna grow so much with these because I'm hoping they won't chip because they seriously feel so, so strong. I also really like the color of them. In this little camera that's right here, the close-up camera, they might look a little bit more pink. I mean, they are pink, but they look pretty natural. Let me zoom you. They look pretty natural, like a very light pink, and I love them. Oh my god. Like, seriously? I am obsessed. So let's go over everything. I believe this kit was $20 when I got it at Rite Aid. So that is amazing. Like, even getting dip, I'm sure in the Salon it would be at least $40, which this is half the price already, and that's only one visit. And also, this obviously can be used multiple times. They do have refill. They have other colors. Most of the refills were about like $7 for something like the top gel or something. And you guys, like, it just feels like I went to a salon. Like, they feel so, so nice. I've tried Kiss's acrylic set and I did not like that. It was way too hard to use. Like, you had to figure out how to get like the perfect bead or whatever, you know. Where this one is super straightforward, simple, easy to use. You basically just paint your nails, dip it in the powder, and you just go from there on painting and filing. So it's like very, very user friendly. There is absolutely no odor. Like, that is probably the biggest thing for me, was when I tried their acrylic set, it had like that apple-y thing to mask the scent, and it just didn't do it. It just didn't work for me. And this has absolutely no odor. Like, I cannot smell anything, and I love that. Other than maybe just like a regular nail polish scent, but it's nothing overpowering. You can totally do this like in your bedroom and you have roommates, and it's not going to overpower it. Or if you have a sensitive nose, something like that. It's just like phenomenal. You guys, so far I'm like, my mind is blown right now. Why didn't I try this sooner? So, I can't believe this. Okay, so I'm going to update you guys in a couple weeks on my social media to let you know if this lasted or not on my nails. But so far, you guys, I'm loving it. Loving it. And you guys should totally check this out and pick it up, because if you want to do this at home and you want to dedicate the time, this did probably take me about an hour to do, start to finish, but it's stunning. Anyway, I'm so excited about this. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this type of nail video, please let me know down below in the comments. Have you guys tried dip powders? Do you like them? Do you like something else better? Please let me know down in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in a video very, very soon. Bye!